That's why they're not even cool. Come on. Good evening, everyone. Dinner time for the dudes over here. Oh yeah, finally got this thing covered too, somewhat. Not windproof, but they said it was gonna be storming for like 4 straight days, and today was kind of crazy actually. It was like really nice this morning. I was like 8 o'clock, it started snowing, light snow till about 11. Gone about 1, had a crazy blizzard come through for like 10 minutes, went away, and all of a sudden sunlight coming through. It was crazy. It's just like, yeah, normal winter for us, comes and goes. So we got another storm coming up, it looks like, over here. So time to feed these dudes, and that's it, man. After that, yeah, we're pretty much done for the day. We got everything else done, right, dudes? Plumber is no longer a black dog. He's turning gray. He's getting white hair. Now, still snowing, which is good. But I have a couple projects that I want to work on for the inside of the house. Man, I don't even remember where I put all my, might be in this box. Like all my art stuff. Yeah, this is not it though. Probably part of it. This is not what I'm looking for. So last night we had like a 20-minute blizzard. It was crazy. But yeah, so as you can see, my entire front is covered in snow. So I'm just gonna, I got like 25 minutes before I gotta head to work. So I just gotta shovel a little bit of snow, at least a walk path from here to there and there. That should be fine. I just gotta do as much as I can. I gotta feed the dudes and head off to work. I'm pretty sure the roads are icy. Well, not bad for about 23 minutes. So I got most of it done. Got all this cleared, that just not that part. Yeah, and a little path to the truck. And we're good. Ooh, it is cold, man. All the garden areas, when was it, like around Saturday evening, Friday evening, I think, afternoon actually, I broadcasted some spring cover crop seeds. There's like 4 different types of clovers, and just like a lot of spring. I forget them because I didn't use it last year, and it just eludes me now. So I gotta check on Daisy. She wasn't eating last night. I'm not sure if she just wasn't hungry or not. So hopefully nothing's going on with them. I gotta clean out their feeding pans. Hi Daisy, where are you, girl? There she is. I want to move past lambing and kidding season, like right now in January and February. What's up, Johnny? Morning. Daisy, you alright? You weren't really, you were acting a little weird last night. Yeah, she seems fine. Cool. So it's still snowing. It's awesome. It's been on and off, but it's been pretty constant this afternoon. And it's supposed to get super cold tonight. It's supposed to go down to like 3 degrees or something. I am just glad that I did not put my ram and my buck in with these dudes until like October. This happened last year. I tried to put the sheep and goats in the little one over here by the hay barn. They didn't like it. They prefer to be over here. So this is just like the old traditional style Navajo sheep corral with the logs leading up. It's like a lean-to. It goes all the way around. But I gotta go check on Daisy. Hopefully she's okay. She's been acting weird. Daisy, where are you, homegirl? But since we got snow, I'm just gonna put it on the ground over there. I don't want them accumulating more hay in the feed tub. So the storm passed. Look at that beautiful sunset. Or sunrise, my bad. I think it's already in today. Beautiful. Yeah, quick 360. Ooh, I'm pretty sure all the snow will be gone by this evening. Always does that. It is a nippy morning. Sky cleared up. But look at that beautiful sunrise. That's going to come up in a bit. So I'm going to feed these dudes and then head off to work. Hope y'all are enjoying your Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday, right? Wednesday morning. Yeah, it looks so different with the entire landscape covered in snow. It's so cold. And that breeze is not helping any too. Yay! What's up, dudes? Good morning. So our feeding pans usually get dirty. I just feed them on the ground when it's snowy like this. So, alright, I gotta check on little Daisy. She was doing okay last night, so I know the goats are a little bit colder, but the sheep were like, yeah, we're good. These cold winter mornings are the best sunsets. Or why do I keep saying sunset? I guess sunsets are awesome too, but these cold winter mornings, the best coloration, like that gradation. Ooh, the greatest sunrises. Yeah, they are amazing. Everything is frosted over. Oh, hey, somebody's back. My neighbor's back. What's he doing? Just sitting in the car? My brother. Yeah, but these sunrises, they are amazing. Let's take one more. Ooh, the sun's about to come out. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful, man. Look at that color. Like white, light blue to purple to like a dark purple. Amazing, man. Amazing. Gotta love it. Nature is so beautiful and so harsh at the same time, right? It can be. What's homeboy doing over there? Is he locked out? Forget his key. What up, everyone? Alright, so horses are right here by the stop sign. And guess what I got for him? Got some old stock Last time I gave them sweet cob. Oh, did they leave? Oh no, I think they left. I think I might be a little too late. Oh yeah, they're right there. They'll come running back. I'm gonna feed these dudes. Give them a little bit of alfalfa. They're right there. Why do we keep saying the wrong things every time? Not alfalfa, but all stock. Alright, here we go. Come on, Roan. Come on, big man. Come on, big man. Come on, big man. Yeah, don't bite my finger. There you go, buddy. We'll just wait for Kiri. Last time you were scared of me. Huh? Kiri. They didn't do it. Over here, man. Over here, man. Last time you pushed my head into the barbed wire, buddy. Not this time, homie. Not this time. Kiri! Here comes Kiri. What are you? No, you don't know how to eat off the hand? They're my neighbor's horses. Come on, Kiri. Come on, Kiri. Yeah. Hey, you wait your turn, big man. You already have 5 mouthfuls. Or 4. Kiri's turn. Hey, don't eat my phone. You guys are worse than the dogs. Yeah. Hello. Hey. Come on. Over here. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna dump it for you guys. You guys can fight over it. There you go. Hey y'all. So it's pretty much it for now with the horsies. The caballos. Say goodnight. Later, Kier. Later, Roni. Later, you 2 horsies. Well, that's it. I got straw today for the garden. Most of it melts. I guess tomorrow is supposed to rain again, so I'm just trying to either tomorrow afternoon, well, actually I might be busy, like this weekend sometime. I'm gonna put the cover the garden area because I threw out I broadcasted some cover crop seeds last weekend before the snowstorm came. So I'm gonna cover the garden area so that way the moisture stays on the ground a lot longer, and that will improve the cover crop seed germination rates, I believe. So they'll stay moist longer. They'll be covered and they'll be ready to grow like next month, in a couple months. What's up, everybody? All right, yeah, and I gotta fix my door. There we go. Gotta kind of double check it sometimes. But, so, look who's waiting out there. You see them? Good morning, canines. Oh, almost grabbed the axe. Well, we got some snow last night. Woo, and just like that, it's good. I think I need to get the little torch. These dudes are waiting for me. I'm gonna go give them some breakfast. Whew, that was fun. Probably walked about a mile right there, back and forth, huh? All right, whew. Matt, what's up, bitch? Well, it's a beautiful end to the week, right, Ro? Got snow, a little bit more snow. Beautiful, man. So this is probably gonna be gone by this evening, though. Like all fresh powder, though. Had another small blizzard. Look at that. Good. Beautiful into the week. It'll be muddy this afternoon once all this melts, so not gonna be going anywhere today. You're in the way, bro. All right, I'll walk in the snow after it dries up a bit next week sometime. Gotta get some more firewood. Look at that. You only got 1 row and a half left, so we know exactly where we're going. Get some firewood. There's plenty out there. Still trying to, you know, get all the dead firewood out of there. We rolling? We rolling? Oh yeah. What's up, everyone? Feeding time. I'm gonna knock this out a little early today. It's only 2:30, but I'm gonna see if I can get the garden covered a bit over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's muddy. What's up, dudes? Oh, I gotta clean their clean the tubs, the feeding pans. Matt. So, Waddy, say what's up, dude. See a little brownie? Yeah. What's up, Paul? What's up, big guy? Somebody's stuck over there. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. What are you doing getting your head stuck, man? Well, what's up, big man? Mr. Paul. I know. So crazy, huh? I gotta unstuck this dude. Well, before we even get to you, let's see if the water's cool. Down. There we go. All right, so I don't know what this little fella is doing. What you doing, man? You're the other brownie. All right, come on. You got 2 panels to get through. Come on, come on, come on. Yup. No. Yeah, there we go. Man, yes, hold on. You know what they want? Yep, you got it. And grain. Actually, grain day for them. Been giving them like alfalfa mainly. Past 3 days, so they haven't had their grain this week. So Whitey's like, hey, where's our grain? You hear him already? Yeah. Alright, don't knock me down. Hey. Out the way, excuse me. You don't want to eat. Nah, hey, watch your horn. Big Red, what's up, buddy? Senor Rojo. Whoa. Look out. Hey, crazy goat, you stay on one side. They think going from feed pan to feed pan, they're gonna get more. It's hilarious. They're probably gonna get the same amount. Alright, there you are. No moss. No moss grain. Alright, perfect timing. Water's full. All done here. Everything's closed. Gates locked. Yep, water's off. We're good, man. Breeze is picking up. Ooh, man, swear that breeze, man. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do a bale or two of straw on the garden over here. Just the one over here is the snow's melted, so I don't want to lose that moisture. I want to keep that moisture in the on the ground, so all those cover crop seeds that I threw out last weekend, you know, they can germinate. Here we are. Ooh, nice and warm right here. Yeah, see, that's all melted. So there's cover crop seeds right here. So I'm thinking one bale for every 25 feet section. So there should be 4, and then we'll see. Woo! Whoa. Keep forgetting I gotta paint those. They blend in right with the ground. All right, we got one field done, the fruit tree garden. It's all done. Entire width, entire length. That one back there, that's just already covered from the previous 2 years oat and rye. I'm about halfway done, so I got 2 bales left. So 3 bales covered this whole thing and half of this. So I'm kind of thinking 1 bale is probably going to finish this one off. I'll take that bale and probably do a quarter of that or something. And then tomorrow I'll probably just end up using these 3, cover everything, and I'll get some more bales from my archery one. So I just got to do the side and then down at the end. So yeah, this will probably cover this whole thing, and it will be good. Right on. Good.